caring for an animal often means living with a significant amount of uncertainty. You provide food, water, and a comfortable environment, but when you leave the house for the day, you simply have to hope they are managing well in your absence. For a long time, pet ownership meant accepting this communication gap. If an animal was feeling stressed or developing a subtle health issue, you usually had no way of knowing until it became an obvious physical problem. But that barrier is finally breaking down. A new generation of dedicated smart hardware is bringing the precision of human health and home security directly into the pet care space. Today, we are looking at 4 tools engineered to remove the guesswork. These devices give you a clearer understanding of your pet's health, daily habits, and safety. Let's get into it. Managing a litter box is a daily chore most people want to minimize. But failing to notice the early signs of a feline health issue carries a much heavier weight. Cats are naturally programmed to hide physical discomfort, which means by the time you actually observe a change in their routine, it is often a late-stage medical emergency. The Petkit Purobot Max Pro 2 is an automatic self-cleaning system designed to serve a much larger purpose than basic waste management. While standard automated boxes just rotate to keep the area clean, this model functions as an active hygiene monitor built with an integrated AI camera and highly precise weight sensors. It is engineered to keep a constant, quiet watch over your cat's internal health without requiring any active input from you. Instead of simply replacing a daily chore, it acts as a passive diagnostic tool that lives seamlessly in your home, gathering data every single time your pet steps inside. The design is fully enclosed, keeping odors trapped while giving the internal sensors a controlled environment to measure every visit accurately. It sifts and seals waste automatically to maintain a clean environment, but the background data collection is the core feature. The integrated camera and sensors work together to recognize exactly which cat is using the box and logs their specific bathroom habits straight to a mobile dashboard. It takes a frustrating daily routine and elevates it into a proactive health monitor that runs continuously in the background, giving you a chance to address medical concerns long before they become severe. Priced at roughly $499, it delivers an automated cleaning cycle while acting as an early warning system for your pet's long-term well-being. Leaving a dog home alone usually creates a quiet but persistent sense of unease. You lock the door and spend the day wondering if they are resting comfortably or pacing nervously by the window. For most pet owners, that isolation creates a complete blind spot, forcing you to simply hope they are handling the separation without distress. The Furbo 360-degree dog camera is built to completely remove that disconnect. While standard home security cameras sit frozen in a corner staring at an empty room, this device is designed to actively follow your pet's movements. It places a high-definition lens on a smooth rotating base, giving the camera the ability to pan across the entire space as your dog moves. Instead of a passive recording device, it functions as an active connection to your home, ensuring your pet never wanders out of the frame. Because it can spin completely around, it eliminates visual blind spots and relies on AI-driven alerts to inform you of specific events, like continuous pacing, crying, or chewing on furniture. The crisp two-way audio allows you to speak clearly to calm your dog down, while the integrated dispenser lets you toss treats directly from your phone. It shifts the dynamic from helpless observation to active comfort, giving you the tools to reward good behavior and ease their anxiety from anywhere. Starting at around $149 depending on your region, it transforms a static camera into an interactive tool designed specifically to manage and relieve separation anxiety. It's no secret that cats are picky drinkers, but keeping tabs on exactly how much water they're getting is even tougher. Usually the first sign of a kidney or urinary issue is a sudden change in how much they drink. For most of us, our cat's hydration is honestly just a guessing game. The Felaqua Connect is a smart water delivery system designed to eliminate that uncertainty completely. Instead of relying on a basic dish or a loud motorized fountain that might startle a cautious animal, it utilizes an integrated scanner designed to read your cat's existing identification microchip. This allows the hardware to recognize exactly who is approaching the bowl to drink, capturing precise daily data without requiring them to wear a bulky tracking collar. The true value of this design lies in its ability to separate and track individual profiles. It connects directly to a mobile application, recording every single sip taken throughout the day. If you have multiple cats sharing the same living space, the microchip integration ensures the hydration logs remain perfectly isolated and accurate for each specific pet. The physical layout is also incredibly practical. It presents the water in a wide, shallow dish to prevent whisker fatigue, which often causes cats to avoid drinking. Because the main reservoir is gravity-fed, there is zero mechanical pump noise to deter them from using it. It transforms a basic survival necessity into a readable, highly accurate health metric. Available at $115, local pricing may vary. It operates as a silent, highly precise monitor for one of your pet's most vital health indicators. Panic usually strikes when a dog slips out the front door or strays too far in the park. Conventional microchips are excellent for identification in the event that your pet is discovered by someone else, but they are completely useless for actively locating them in real time. The Tractive Dog 6 is a dedicated GPS collar attachment designed to fix this by giving you a live map of your dog's exact location. Instead of being a basic Bluetooth tracker that loses signal the moment your dog runs down the street, this device connects directly to cellular networks. It pinpoints their position no matter how much distance is between you, keeping you connected across entire cities or deep in the woods. It features a live tracking mode that updates their location on your phone every few seconds, showing you exactly which direction they are heading. What makes this so useful is the virtual fence feature. You can map out safe zones around your house or a local park, and the second your dog steps out of bounds, you get an instant alert on your phone. It also tracks their daily sleep and activity levels in the background, making it a great tool for catching early signs of lethargy or illness. For about $79 with a subscription plan required to maintain the cellular features, it is a highly capable piece of hardware built to prevent a lost pet scenario. Taking care of a pet used to mean accepting a significant level of uncertainty regarding their health, safety, and daily habits. But as we have explored today, the right hardware changes that dynamic completely. Whether it is identifying early medical warnings through automated hygiene, actively easing separation anxiety while you are at work, tracking precise hydration data, or pinpointing their exact location on a cellular map. These tools give you a much clearer picture of reality. They replace anxious guessing with hard, actionable data, making the entire experience of pet ownership significantly less stressful and far more intentional. Subscribe to our channel and join us here at Vaultech, where we explore technology engineered for the future and built for real life.